Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for What Does This Word Mean challenge? Test your knowledge with 30 quick-fire questions and see if you are a true word master. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Can you find the meaning of this word? The correct answer is full of happiness. Let's see if you know this one. Yes, the answer is very small. What does this word mean? That's right. It means tired and wanting to rest. Think fast. The meaning is making a lot of noise. Do you know this one? Spot on. It means having great power. Let's test your vocabulary. The correct answer is kind and nice to others. Try this one. Yes, the meaning is having no light. Can you guess the right meaning? That's right, moving quickly. Quick quiz. The answer is difficult or tough. What do you think? The correct answer is having low temperature. Here's a simple one. Yes, it means feeling joyful and pleased. Challenge time. The right meaning is hard to lift or carry. This should be easy. Yes, it means being nice and caring. Do you know this? That's right, to smile and make a happy sound. Let's check your word power. The answer is close to something. What's your guess? Correct! It means not making much sound. Take a shot at this. Yes, it means feeling unhappy. Do you remember this word? The correct answer is gentle and smooth. Can you guess it? Yes, full of light is right. Try another one. The meaning is resting and closing eyes. Think you know this one? That's correct. It means consuming food. Let's see how good you are. The answer is moving on foot. Guess the meaning. Yes, it means shedding tears. Test your knowledge. Correct, it means moving fast on foot. What's your choice? Yes, grinning happily is right. Can you solve this? The meaning is looking at and understanding words. Here's another challenge. That's right, it means moving to music. Let's see if you can answer. The correct meaning is caring deeply. Do you know this common word? Yes, it means large in size. Final round. The answer is clever and intelligent. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 30 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!